Hi, my name is Kyle Bullock. I'm a professional jeweler, and today I want to talk about being broken and mended. Check out this diamond that a customer allowed us to repair. The marquee diamond was chipped on the end, and in this close-up the damage looks really bad. This probably happened after the diamond got hit or nicked on the end. That break is pretty obvious even to the naked eye. Now, we were able to have our diamond cutter fix this. I think he's one of the country's best diamond cutters around. Nobody has the kind of precision, care, creative skill at diamond cutting like he does. He was able to recut the end of the diamond into this. The break is fixed, and in fact, nobody would have a clue the damage was ever there. This diamond will have a new life. What once seemed like damage that could never be fixed is now vanished. Something beautiful remains. This is true of us as people. The things in your life that have hurt, caused bruises and damage can be fixed. It takes a little work and probably the help of a trusted expert to make it better, but what was once broken can now be made beautiful. This is just part of what we do at Bullock's. We take broken things and we make them like new again. And when we do, it's more than just a piece of jewelry. It's a piece of your story.